Good day, everyone. Is the new platform exciting to you? Then listen to what I have to say about that intriguing one. Rudder is a decentralized piece of software with the goal of standing the test of time and eventually becoming a technology and a financial sector revolution. In addition to the indirect benefit of capital allocation via protocol, there is also a more direct incentive which comes from the fees that the protocol collects, which, based on the above principle, eventually go back into the ecosystem. Before going into the further discussions, you should know about what DeFi is. So, what is DeFi? By allowing people, merchants, and corporations to perform financial transactions using developing technologies, decentralized finance eliminates intermediaries. Peer to peer financial networks that use security protocols, connectivity, software, and hardware developments are used to achieve this. You can lend, trade, and borrow using software that records and validates financial transactions in distributed financial databases from anywhere you have an internet connection. So, what is the history of Rudder Global? Rudder is a multi component ecosystem. The ecosystem's goal is to provide a seamless DeFi experience to both new and seasoned traders. As a result, the protocol's goal is to make asset management truly democratic. Furthermore, they are returning power to the system, which is where it should have been in the first place, because the depth of the Rudder protocol transcends the capabilities of any single person, whether a founder, an asset manager, or a simple participant. So, what are the problems without Rudder Global and what are the solutions? Despite the fact that blockchain and DeFi eliminate the need for a middleman and put a slew of helpful features on top, none of this addresses the basic platform. To execute asset management properly, whether personal or institutional, a user or company must have extensive experience and knowledge of all of the assets they manage. This problem is frequently managed in major corporations, such as banks or other financial institutions, by hiring experts in each area in which the bank has investments. Requesting a professional opinion, on the other hand, is an impractical solution for individuals or small businesses. The issue is still exists despite having access to technology and opportunity right in front of them. So, finally, it may be stated that a radar detects, locates, tracks, and recognizes objects from a great distance. It is the best platform with the best features for token owners to benefit from. Investing for future earnings is simple for investors for this platform for the future better outcomes of their company.